Right, okay. Uh, Today I'm going to talk about YouTube analysis. This I want to talk about Facebook analysis. This simple analysis, just fetch comments, number of likes and times and the updated times. Only few things will be discussed today, right? And the deeper things will be discussed later, gradually with your responses. Um, so one of my colleagues asked me to this, right? So that's why, according to that requirement, I'm doing this. So for this client, I think for now this would be enough, right? According to his requirement. So uh, I wanted to start it with Facebook. Just there were some issues, therefore I decided to start it with YouTube anyway, right? Um, I don't wish to make this a very large session. Simply, I'll try to discuss everything, right? Not everything actually. Just first of all, you need an API, right? So YouTube develop developing amount. So you want to go for the cloud and you want to get an ID, right? Authentication credentials should be created first of all. Then authentication ID has to be created. So this is mine. So I'll use this. Surely in another session, I will show you how to do this. I think you're familiar with this APIs, how to create these, right? It's nothing else, just you can search on Google Cloud developing mode, then you console, then you can go there and on your left corner you can see API and services. First of all, you can click on libraries. If you have not used this ever, you can search YouTube. I did not want to talk about this, right? Then you can get these libraries. These first two libraries can be taken, right? Okay, now I have unpacked them, therefore they are shown, right? Then my credentials I have created. First of all, you have to create that. In this credentials, create credentials. I have created them already, right? Simply, as you can, after immediately you have created that, you can copy this client ID into your keypad, right? So this is my API inside invited commands, right? Then secret, I'm giving a secret key. I copy it into my keypad. Then first of all, I forgot to tell you that you wanna use this particular library tuber, right? In my earlier analysis, we have not used this table library. This library is adapted for these purposes, right? So now we can use yp underscore uh, ou OAUTH, right? OAUTH inside the API, then secret, then token equals invalid. Within commands, right? You can load this, right? I have maximized that, right? Now, right, okay. What you can do now, I will get some statistics of these videos. So I'll create a couple of videos. V1 data dot frame get stat. I need some statisticals background of these videos. Just simple stats will be shown. Simple summarizations will be shown. Video underscore id equals invited within invited commands, right? Okay, likewise, I will click on the 2 to 3 videos because I want to give you some idea, nothing else, right? Right, okay. This is this kind of my was my one of my favorite cartoon, my childhood. Still, I'm watching that cartoon, right? So, right, okay. Um, yes, I have copied this video IDs here, right? Video IDs here. Then what I'm going to do is I will paste that ID on this, right? I'll pick three different cartoons, right? Three different cartoons in same uh, categories, same cartoon, right? Okay, this one, copy. This I don't want to make this a very large and very complicated and very bigger one, so I took only two, right? Let me change this as V2, right? Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna concat them. I'm gonna bind them, right? So the new data frame is known as let's say Garfield. Garfield. There are two videos only, two YouTube videos only. I'm gonna bind them with rows. Row bind function is used v1 and v2, right? Garfield, right? Okay, let it run and we will take a rest, right? What happened? Um, why row bind is not executed. Let's check. Right, video 1 and video 2. Right, okay, they are having different, different columns. That's why it does not, it's not eligible for binding. I'll use another. Let's check whether it can be. We will try to compare these two, right? Yeah, let's see whether it's working or not. It's not eligible. We'll try. Is it the same? v3 equals data dot frame date underscore stats video underscore id equals this one. Let's check v3 as well. Let's check v3. v3. Let me load this. Okay, what about v3? Comments, favorite count. There are same, but the first one is something different. I will prevent from using this first one. So let me just block that, or no need block it. Just I will change this, right? I will compare these two videos, right? Yeah, we can compare these two videos now. We count like this, right? Comment count. So actually, this cannot be used in order to just compare whatever the popular episode in that, right? And we can get an idea about this because even it is depending on time, right? That's why. Right, okay. Somehow this I missed what are these titles, right? If I know these titles, even I could add those themes and the themes over there, right? Let's say it's episode 4 and episode 37, right? Episode 4 and episode 37. So I will add episode, right? So 4 and 37, right? Right, okay. Garfield. Right, episode 4 and episode 37. Then what I can do is I can compare. First of all, I want to convert them into numerical values, right? Field view count. It's nothing else. Just we are having only 2 videos and only to do this, right? But if you are having some more videos, just you can fetch, you can use the for loop. Uh, you can put all these links into a single data frame, and just you can arrange all of the statistics in a single data frame using that, right? We have a limited time, therefore I have taken only two, so you can use it up to your requirement, right? Okay, now dot numeric, right? Garfield, Garfield, Garfield view count. Let's compare this down the view count, right? Okay, I want to prepare a bar plot. That right? I will use just default one, right? Bar plot. Bar plot is the default function in R. We are provided the names equals. I will put oh yeah, Garfield names, right? We don't want to use inverted commas. Garfield episode. Isn't there any Garfield episode? Garfield episode. Is it start? Episode height. I think it needs start. Garfield. Sorry. Garfield view count. We need view count. Is there any mistake? Garfield. Yeah, there was a mistake. Garfield. Right. Okay, let's see when we could add some themes as well, right? I don't need to do so. We can add the if you rotate this text that's equals to you can see they are rotated, right? It is rotated like this, episode 4 and episode 37, maybe based on the time, right? Maybe based on the time, right? Okay. So likewise you can analyze comment count and like count as well, right? Like that, right? So I'll pick this third video. I will gather all comments, right? Comment, get all, right? Comments, right? Get all comments of video underscore ID equals this ID, right? Comments, let's see, comment. What about this comment? Comments are fetched, right? Corresponding to this video, right? Corresponding to this video, comments are fetched. Likewise, you can just fetch some more. There are only 21 comments. So there are some videos they have put too much comments, right? Let's try to find out such video, right? Such a video 1 year ago should be, there can be comparatively large amount of comments. Let's see how many comments are there. Just only 7 comments. It's not enough, right? Because this is a very popular cartoon, while this is a popular cartoon, right? Hmm. Right. Okay. I think it's not a good choice, but my background has to be changed again. Right. Okay. Somehow I will go for another. I'm interested in CFM morning show, right? CFM. Let's see. CFM morning show. It's a really nice program. I don't have much time to watch all these things, but sometimes I used to watch them when I have a free. Right. I think she's right. Okay. Mm, let's have just a simple one, right? So this I'm not trying to just recommend. It's up to your interest, right? I try to fetch just nothing else. Just I want to get some large amount of comments respectively. Oh, it's just 8 rows there. 8 rows over there. No, it's not enough. It's not enough, right? So how many comments are there? 0 comments. So this I want to just analyze. I want to show you some a couple of things there, some more things rather than expect. Therefore, it's not enough. Right. Let's see how many are there. Fortnite. It's not bad, but I feel like okay. Sunless color. Uh, which is Mr. Sunless color. Sunless color talk. I'm not much interested, but I think we can get some more comment rather than that, right? Nothing else. It's actually, I did not expect that. I did not prepare any video in advance. Hi. Hmm. So I have copied this into my clipboard. I replace this with the comments, right? Okay. Even I didn't see whatever the name of that particular video. If I made something wrong, I'm really sorry about that. We can fetch this data like twice in purpose is just analyzing this data. We can do too much things, but today I don't wish to talk that much. may take a little bit time because it seems like there are so many data, right? Okay, I'll wait. The rest, I feel like if I could change this background, it's better because the theme is totally changed. I did not expect such. Okay, somehow these are comments, right? What are these comments? Just the kind of comments. There are some emojis, stickers. All of them are in singular, right? Okay, somehow today I don't wish to do some sentiment analysis. Therefore, doesn't matter when I do some sentiment analysis. Even I don't know how to deal with this singular. They have to be converted. They have to be translated into English. Then I can do and actually I can do sentiment analysis. Hence, right? Okay. Likewise, all these comments are there. 1,487 comments on that, right? Okay. When we are talking about these stats, right? Let me do this over there. Get underscore stats. Video underscore ID equals same link. Let's see. You can see view count is this much. 455,511. Like count 11,436. Right. Comment counts 1,509. Right. Some are missed, right? They are not allowed to be fish, maybe, right? It shows only 1,487. Sorry. Yeah, 87. Then, likewise, text original and the names, right? I'll make some structured. I will pick only. I'll subset this, right? I'll get only couple of columns attributes for this analysis, right? Because I don't want to make this too much complicated and too much large. Then what is that? Yeah, it's known as comment. Right, okay. Comment, I want a subset comment can get, I'll call this com, right? Comment, I want to get only all rows with columns. I need only these columns. These can be used, but today I don't think I'm not going to use them, right? 1, 2, 3, third one, fifth one, 3, 5, 3, 5. It's a little bit difficult to count at this moment, right? Okay, therefore I'll use another data dot frame. Okay, little frame comment. I need only text display comment auto display. File image URL is not needed for now, right? For now, what channel value can rate? We were rating like count, published at is needed, right? Updated at will be used, right? And ID will not be used for now, right? Okay, for now this is enough, right? So new data frame will be prepared. Comments, this has to be removed, right? Okay. Right, I have created my data frame, right? And you can rename all these fields as you wish, right? So now I'm not going to do so, right? Comment like count, let's check this like counts. Seems like right. Okay. I want to convert this like count into a numeric one, right? Comment like count as dot numeric, so numeric count dollars comment like count, right? Now it's a numeric field. Now I want to create, what is this? What's this? Count. Right, a library ggplot will be used. ggplot data equals com, right? Mapping equals static x equals, I wanna comment not like count, like count geom histogram bar plot, right? I request just histogram, it's more meaningful, right? So histogram analysis, right? You could add the GG title, but I didn't. You could add some margins, geometry line, then inset can be set. I have talked about them earlier, right? It's like this, right? Right, like count. Let's visualize this summary of the like count. I'll use library scheme, or even you could depend on the default summary function. Scheme count, right? What will be the maximum of that? So you have only one numerical attribute, so this will be split into two parts as numeric and characters, right? Right, okay, this is the output. This is for characters. I will talk about characters now, right? No missing value. All of them are completed, right? Mean is 4.75. For it seems like for each of your comments, this much of likes are put to it, right? Standard deviation is 32. So likewise, it's like that 807 likes there for a comment. So I'll subset it, right? I'll check whatever it is. Maximum one is percentage 100%, that means the maximum one, right? So subset com dollars comment like com equals max of com comments like, right? Okay, let's see what is it. Who has left that much of very words comment? Anthony Surendra. Okay. He has thanked. Actually, even I did not watch this video, so I don't have a pretty good idea about the content. So it's better to not talk about the content as I have shown you. This can be done, right? Now, let's say I want to subset comments likes. This was likes, okay. I want to penetrate the comments those are having rather than 10 likes, right? Okay. Popular comments, right? Popular comments will be captured, right? Subset. The same is used, so I will put that into my report because I have coded that, right? This one larger than, right? Larger than, equal or larger than 10. Right, okay, so let's see. Popular comments, right? Popular comments among display page, right? Okay, these are popular comments, right? There are 107 comments. Those were given rather than equal or larger than 10 likes, right? Lankara Himant here, right? Okay. So I think no need to write all these comments, right? Just you can play it with your own video, what you are interested in, right? Actually, I'm not interested in this video. Just I had no video. Just I have searched and randomly it came into my mind at this moment, right? So I think yes, right? Okay. So I feel like larger than 50 very popular cases, and I try to, even there are 30 rows, right? I try to get some bar plots, right? ggplot. Using ggplot, right? Data popular comments, right? Data equals popular comments mapping right geom bar right inside parentheses mapping equals aesthetic right x equals right actually if I'm trying to do it like this, let's see what will be the output, right? Maybe the same person may have left a couple of comments, right? Multiple comments may be captured here, right? Text and I'll keep it here. Actually, this is what not I expected, right? I'll show what I expected. First of all, I'll explain what does this mean, right? This means that I have taken comment field name author display name, right? It means that some person a person among that those popular characters have commented two times, right? It displays two times. The same person has commented two times, right? So this is not within overall population, but also within the popular one. It was considered as more than those comments. Those were able to fetch more than 50 likes. So there are some assumptions as well. So I wanna add a theme, theme. Axis dot title dot x equals element underscore text, right? Side parentheses again angle equals let's rotate it to 90 degrees, right? And let's check what is that name. Axis title element. Actually, we wanted to axis dot text dot x. Isn't there any like that? Isn't there? It's not readable. Right. Okay. So who has left that? Kasun Viraj, I think he is Kasun Viraj, right? Okay. Two comments are left, right? Here we can read them. I have shown you only a couple of things we can do, right? Very simple things here. I hope to do some advanced analysis later, right? Here, using my popular comments, Simpa plot names equal. I used to put popular underscore com dollars text display or the display name and height equals popular underscore com dollars like count is equals to, okay, 30 of them will be shown now, will be compacted. It's compacted a little bit. You can see Pramod got this much of likes, right? I think this is the most popular comment Pramod has selected, right? So we can capture one of the popular comments like this, and we can subset with the names, right? Even there is CSC author, right? I think these are popular. These are top fans. I don't know. Can be changed. We can analyze couple of videos, right? I think it's better to analyze couple of videos the same channel, and we can see. We can check whether there is a mutuality in all those videos. We can capture top fans, right? Right. Okay. Just like this. What we can do further? What we can do further? Comments. Let's see the head of the comment. Print all comments. See subset dataset, right? I think the subset dataset was not comment but count, right? But count. Right. I think this count. Subset one, right? Okay. Okay. Collabo, right? I feel like it's better to convert this into a readable way, structured method. This is time, published time. So I'm trying to convert that into date, right? Using dot POSIX. What is it? $, published at, right? Has to be converted. Format equals, format is first of all they have mentioned here, right? Percentage easily stopped. Percentage here, then this is month, right? Month, then this is date, right? And there is P, right? Now I think this is hours, right? Colon, percentage, this is minutes, right? Colon, percentage, seconds, then Z, right? I want to convert update time as well. I'm tired of typing this multiple times. I have to sleep. Right, this is updated, right? Comment updated at updated that. Okay, let's see how it see whether it is converted into frame date format successfully or not. Let's check. Yeah. Just a moment. I think there was a power cut. I'll check that and I'll come back immediately. What happened, right? Uh, what's this? What's this? Just give me a few moments, right? There's a power cut.